If q to the power 12 divide z to the power 16 times y divide p to the power 16 equals to 2y to the power x minus 2, find x equals to what? Here is something like q equals to cubic root 8, y equals to 8, z equals to cubic root 27 and p equals to 8 by 3. So first, here q means cubic root 8 and here to the power 12. Divide z means cubic root 27 and to the power 16 times y means 8, p means 8 by 3 and to the power 16, okay, equals to 2y. 2 times y means 8 to the power x minus 2. Now look, 3 root 8, cubic root 8, it means 8 means 2 to the power 3 and cubic root means times 1 by 3. So this 3 and this 3 out, cubic 8 means only 2. Similar, cubic root 27 means 3 cube to the power times, here cubic root means 1 by 3. So 3 out, only 3. So we can write here 2 to the power 12 and here 3 to the power 16 times this one is 8 times 3 divide 8 to the power 16 equals to, here is 2 to the power 1 and this one is 2 cube to the power x minus 2. Okay, now look, here is 2 to the power 12 divide 3 to the power 16 times 8 and 8 out, here is 3 to the power 16 equals to 2 to the power 1 times 2 to the power 3, it means 2 to the power 4 to the power x minus 2. So here 3 to the power 16 and 3 to the power 16 out. So 2 to the power 12 equals to 2 to the power, here is 4x minus 8, right? Then here base are same 2, therefore power will be equal. So we can write 12 equals to 4x minus 8. So we can write 4x equals to 12 plus 8, it means 20. So x means, if we divide both sides by 4, so 20 divide 4, our answer is 5. Okay, look, this is the nice simplification, and of which one we try to do, our answer is x equals to 5. Hope you understand this one. If you have any question or any query, just put on your think on comments box, and also if you think this video is very important for you or it will help you, then don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.